Today I'm creating invisible apple pie. This is an amazing recipe, baked apple slices in a custard vanilla cream. A slightly salted almond streusel perfectly complements this amazing dessert. I welcome you here at La Cooking and let's get started. Step 1. Make the dough. At first, combine 2 eggs and 50 grams of sugar. Mix well. Then add vanilla sugar or vanilla extract 1 teaspoon. Also add a pinch of salt and milk 100 grams. We also need 30 grams of melted butter. Mix. Combine flour with baking soda and add to the liquid mixture. Mix everything together well. The dough is ready. Step 2. Prepare the apples. We will need about 1 kilogram of apples. Wash them. Cut the peel of the apples. But don't peel too many apples at once, so they don't turn brown. Cut the apples into thin slices. Then quickly dip the apple slices into the dough, also because they don't turn dark. You should try slice the apples as thin as possible, so that the apples bake well and become soft when baked. I'm grateful that you are here with me now. Please take a minute for like and subscribe to my La Cooking channel. Your attention makes me happy. Mix well and the apple mixture is ready to bake. Grease the baking dish with butter. Pour the apple mixture into the dish. Spread the apple mixture carefully and in layers. First baking in a preheated oven at 120 degrees for 30 minutes. Step 4. Make the streusel. Grate frozen butter and add vanilla sugar. Add pinch of salt and 30 grams of sugar. 40 grams of that flour. Combine all the ingredients into crumbs. Add almond flour or ground almonds, about 40 grams. The almond streusel is ready. After 30 minutes, the apples are not baked yet. Sprinkle the streusel and return to the oven. Second baking in hot oven at 120 degrees for an additional 20 minutes. Wait until it cools down well and let's try. It's incredibly delicious. And it's done so easy and quickly. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching and happy culinary masterpieces!